How to delete all posts on Facebook. Hey everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. So for that, go ahead and open Facebook application in your mobile device. Once you open it up, make sure that you are logged into your Facebook account. Now once you are logged in, simply tap on the menu icon at the bottom right corner. Now from here, scroll below and then tap on Settings and Privacy. And then tap on Settings. Now once you are inside Settings and Privacy, scroll below and then tap on Activity Log under your activity. Now once you are here, simply tap on Public Post. And then you will be able to see all of the posts that you have posted on Facebook. In order to delete it, simply tap on Select All and then tap on Trash. Now tap on Move to Trash. And just like so, you have deleted all the posts on Facebook. If you want to go ahead and delete it completely, simply tap on Trash beside Archive. And then you'll find the deleted post that you have just deleted. In order to delete it completely, tap on All again. And then tap on the three dot at the bottom right corner. And then tap on Delete again. Now simply go ahead and select Delete. Now in order to delete it completely, you'll have to go ahead and type in your Facebook password in order to confirm it. And after you do so, tap on Submit. And once you do that, you'll then be able to delete all the posts on Facebook completely. And that is it for today's video, guys. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end. And stay tuned until our next upload.